opinion, people are fond of branded clothes because I think they like branded clothes, and some people don't let others down. Uh, they like branded clothes because they have to look best in every aspect of their life, and some people maintain their personality by wearing good clothes. So this is not the bad, because some people don't want to feel jealous of others, and they look good by branded clothes because they want to look good. That's it.
So, in my opinion, I think that people buy branded things because they want to show their class. I mean that as we seen that rich people always buy branded things, branded clothes and branded gadgets. Even they buy, if they even buy a good dog, they always want that a branded dog. So this is the thing, because they want to show others that they are rich, they have money, they want to show off. So this is the thing. And if a middle class person buy any branded thing, so they can, we can say that they require it, or they also want to show off in social media. And because as you all know that in Instagram and Snapchat, everyone will show off their things, like if you buy an iPhone, then you will click photos of iPhone from a low class phone and and upload it on Instagram. So I think that it's only for show off, because branded things are same as normal things.
You all know it is becoming a trend nowadays. If you are having branded clothes, branded thing, because of this, if you have a branded thing, you some people treat it like you are big, you are something in our sector, in our school, in our college. And yeah, if some people purchase branded thing to show off, to upload pics on Insta, and they think if we are having good clothes, branded clothes, because we can only popular. And I think if you have talent, you don't need any branded clothes, any branded thing to get popular. And that's it.
I think that people wear branded clothes because they don't want to show off. There are some people who don't want to show off. They just wear branded clothes because they want to look good. They love branded clothes, and they have also money. That's why they buy branded clothes. But I have seen a lot of people, they buy some branded clothes, branded phones because they want to show off. And I have also seen, if someone decorating their house, if someone doing something for themselves, so they will always show others. They don't do anything for themselves. They always show others that I'm looking good, so it's only for others, not for themselves. Because they want to show everyone that yes, we are good, we are wearing branded clothes, so it's look good on me, it looks good on me. That's why they wear. And we should not show off. If we have something, so we will buy it. If we don't have something, so we should not buy these things to show off.
They feel ashamed, that's why they are trying to buy some branded clothes and things. It could be anything related to technology, related to clothes, related to your shoes, but that depends on their own and their money and their budget. Because if your pocket money allowed you to buy something which is more heavier than your load, so you should buy it. But think twice, because the money you are spending on a branded thing, you can use it somewhere else. It could help your financial things as well. But yeah, if it doesn't affect anything, you should definitely buy branded things. It gives you confidence, it gives you a good personality in the world, so that you can go anywhere else. You will be recognized by someone that yeah, you are, bro, you are a good personality, can I get your number, and how you are looking good. That's why the people following you, because most of the people, they think that if I look good by watching and by wearing and by watching this thing and by talking to others, that's how they believe. That's why they are purchasing day in day out. And once we buy branded things, we also become habitual that I am not going to buy any kind of cheaper thing because it suits my personality nowadays. And people think that if he is going to buy a cheaper personality, that means that he was showing off the bad kind, and now he's buying cheaper personality. That also create a pressure that I have to buy again and again the branded thing. That's how I feel, and I have seen someone is doing all the things that to make his personality better. But I really don't think these things will work. If you're a spiritual person, then doesn't think it's going to work. That's all I know.
According to me, people are fond of buying branded clothes because it totally depends on the people. Like if he or she wanted to buy, so they can buy. But some people try to buy branded clothes only for show off. So, and they upload their photos on social media while wearing these clothes. Not all the people do for show off, but some. Okay, so that's it.
People are fond of branded clothes, branded things because of the social influence that we create in the social media platform through the influence of other. We have a dopamine that release, and that through it we excited to buy that thing.
I think people depend how much your passion, your shock, and many people buy lots of brand, and other people don't buy many brand because depend to how much and to how to survive many problems. So my opinion, you earn well, so you have lots of buy many brands and many things you can afford, but you have earn enough, so how to survive depend on you. I think that's my opinion.
It is absolutely right. Like nowadays, we are fond of having branded clothes and all. Like nowadays, there are lots of big companies in the market, and they are spend a lot of money for the advertisement and all. Like nowadays, we all are used to scrolling on social media platform and all. So we see that again and again advertisement and all. So we are habitual to by habitual to.
We are fond of branded clothes because of the peer pressure that we have today. We all have the peer pressure of our society, of our classmates, of our colleagues in our society. So due to the peer pressure, we start taking action to it over our desires. So for that, I would say that we should have good control over our emotions and over our mind to control our desires. And the second could be the social influence through the social media platforms. We see the advertisement and the people that what they're wearing, what they're having, and what they're showing off to others. We also want to live in that phase in which they are living. So just because of the curiosity and the desires of being in that person's life, we all want to purchase branded clothes. But other than this, we should try to save our money as much as we can for our future, because we don't know what happens next to us in future. So I would like to say that we should save our money other than spending it in wasteless things.
These people are fond of buying branded things like mobile phones, clothes, and etc. because most of the people doing show off on social media. So some people after they know seeing him, so they also want to buy that type of things. Like if someone have good clothes, so he also want to buy a good clothes. If he are not able to buy good clothes, so they collect money for buying good clothes. But if they are able to buy good clothes, so they buy good clothes, because if we wear good clothes, so we look confident and someone are. That's it.
So I think if you have a good amount of money, if you have a good amount of fun, and you are buying luxury things, so I think that there is nothing wrong at all, because ultimately it is your money, and it is your decision that how do you want to spend your money. I also feel that for something we did a lot of hard work, and now you are earning is good. So I think if you spend a good amount of money on luxury thing, I think we should enjoy our life. Everyone wants that. Everyone wants to enjoy having a luxury thing. So I think if everyone should experience. Once in their life, because how these people live their life. That is what I feel. I'm not saying you should be fond of, but I think we should experience. Doesn't matter you are owning these things or you are you take on the rent, but I think we should experience and we should try to move forward ourselves. So I think that is what I feel.
So the people who are fond of buying branded and expensive things, I think the reason behind that is that they are influenced by the peoples, and I mean the brand is not shown up by themselves. Like the people who follow big celebrities, they are influenced by them, and the people so that the. Sir, thoughts.